Introducing our stunning leather cork flooring. The perfect blend of style and sustainability. With its textured hardwood look, soft carpet-like feel, and easy maintenance like vinyl, this cork flooring is a true game changer. And the best part, it's environmentally friendly. Our 12mm leather cork planks feature warm amber colors with flecks of browns and coffee, creating a traditional block pattern that is famous worldwide. It's like walking on leather, visually stunning and oh so comfortable underfoot. But it's not just about the looks. Cork provides natural insulation and sound attenuation properties, making it a practical choice for any space. Adding this design of floating cork floor to any room can enhance its brightness and bring out its inherent calmness and warmth. The Uniclic flooring system enables the leather cork floating flooring to connect seamlessly without needing glue, making it easy to install as one large finished unit. The planks come with an integrated low-density sound-absorbing cork underlayment. This 12mm thick flooring is made of 6mm cork, 3mm top layer plus 3mm integrated underlay and 6mm E1 Class High-Density Fiberboard center, making it a highly effective sound and thermal insulator. You can even lay it directly over your old floor in many cases. The planks are available in dimensions of 36 by 12 by ½ inches. Leather is pre-finished with 3 coats of water-based polyurethane and is a suitable option for areas like the kitchen and basement. Each carton contains 6 planks and can cover up to 17.44 square feet. On the other hand, cork flooring is a stylish and naturally decorative choice for traditional flooring that complement any furniture style and add warmth and character to any room. Besides its decorative features, cork flooring is also functional due to its natural insulation properties in terms of temperature and acoustics. Cork is highly valued for its intrinsic renewability, which allows it to be harvested from the bark of the cork oak tree without causing damage and allowing the tree to grow again. These trees are primarily found in the Mediterranean region and can live up to 250 years, with the cork being harvested every 9 years. Cork naturally fights against molds and absorbs toxins, making it an effective material for improving air quality. It is also ideal for people with allergies and requiring pressure relief, such as seniors or individuals with knee problems. Cork is an excellent choice for enhancing your home with its advantageous features. Upgrade your flooring game with our leather cork flooring and enjoy the perfect combination of style, sustainability, and functionality.